In this video, I'll be showing you how to use any sound of your choice, any sound, any music, any audio you listen or you hear from anywhere, you want to make it as your ringtone on your iPhone. For instance, I use Kese Kese, sung by Wizkid, for my ringtone. Let's see it. Yes. So I will show you how to use any song of your choice as your ringtone on your iPhone. If you've been wanting to use a song of your choice as your ringtone on your iPhone and you're finding it difficult, you have to watch this video to the end. I will be using this video to show you on how to set any ringtone, any audio of your choice as your ringtone on your iPhone. There's this app you're going to be using on the iPhone. This app is a native app on the iPhone. If you don't have it, maybe you deleted it or you could not find it. The app is called, look at it, it's called GarageBand. This GarageBand is the app that we'll be using. It's a native app on the iPhone that we'll be using to create ringtone with any audio on your iPhone. If you don't have it, just go to the Apple Store. Once you get to the Apple Store, make sure you're connected or you have data or you have network connection on your iPhone. Tap on the search and search for Garage. See it here. As you can see, though I've already installed it on my iPhone, I'm just saying in case you don't have it on your iPhone, just go to the App Store and download it, and let's do it together. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. See it, my own is already installed, so just click on open. This GarageBand doesn't work when you rotate your phone. As you can see, this is what it's saying: welcome to GarageBand. Click on continue. Click on continue. Allow. Now you'll be seeing all these things. All you have to do is to swipe till you get to this place. You have the audio recorder. Note that the song we'll be using on this, any audio you'll be using or you want to use as ringtone, you have to download it before setting up this process. Now click on this, tap on this, allow. Now it's setting up. This icon that you're seeing here, it looks like it's carrying a short biro on it. You have to tap it so that it will be showing white. If not, most of the things will not be working. Just make sure, tap on it. Now it's showing green or blue, I can't tell, but just tap on it so that it will be showing white. Have you seen it? Okay. When you're done tapping on it, this, you'll be seeing this on this place, you'll be seeing these three signs. Look at this one that is showing like bricks. This particular one that is showing like bricks, click on it. When you click on it, it will bring out this dialog box. All you have to do, observe carefully. All you have to do, are you seeing this particular loops? This place that this sign is looking like steering sign. Tap on this particular one. Tap on it. Have you tapped on it? Once you tap on it, come to file. Click on file. Now, let me show you where you'll be doing this, where you'll be getting the music you download. Once you get to your browser, you can download any favorite music of your choice. Let's assume I want to download Kese Kese. Kese Kese is the music sung by Wizkid. I'll click on download. Now it's asked to download. It's already downloading. If you look very well closely, you see that it's downloading. So let's wait for it to download, because this is the music or the audio I want to use as my ringtone. Now it has downloaded. It has downloaded. Go to your download folder. You can just copy it. See? You can copy it. Then go to your file manager to make it easier, your file on your iPhone. Then let's assume, just look for a folder. I'm going to be adding it on this folder where it will be easier for me. I think I'll add it here. Now I've added it. Close it and go back to your GarageBand. Once you go back to your GarageBand, first and foremost, before you go back, tap on this particular plus icon. Once you tap on this particular plus icon, touch on this section A. Tap on this section A. Once you tap on it, we need to off this automatic so that we can do it manual. Now it is showing 8 on the manual. We'll have to increase it to 30, 10, 11. Continue increasing it till you get to 30. Then tap on this place. Now it's set for us to create our audio that we'll be using for our ringtone on our iPhone. Now between this place, you see this back icon, you see the center icon, you see the last icon. So we'll be clicking on this one that is center. Note that if this particular icon that is holding biro, that is showing like it has a pen on it, is showing blue or green, you have to tap on it so that it will be showing white. So just go and tap on this loop. This is where we'll be choosing the music we downloaded and we'll be using as our audio. Now you go on file. File is where you store the music you downloaded. So click on browse. Now this is one of the music. Don't tap on it. It is already here. So what do you do now? The next step is for you to watch closely. Double tap on it, drag it and come to this loop you created. Now as you can see, the music is already inside our loop. Let's assume you don't like the beginning of the music, you want to use from the end or you want to use from the middle. All you have to do is just to press and hold it, drag it to get to the point where you want to use. Once you get to that point, drag it back to the beginning. Now let's play. So we are starting from Ego Dance instead of the beginning. So now that we've already had our music inside these loops, what do we do? Look at this icon that is facing the floor, that it looks like a triangle. Tap on it and go to my songs. Click on my song. Now we already generated the song. Forget these ones. These are the ones I created before. This is the one you are waiting for. Then double tap on it and share. It will ask you songs, ringtone and project. So we want to use this song as ringtone, which is for our iPhone. Click on it. Say your ringtone length needs to be adjusted. Continue. So now I will save this as my ringtone. You can save it with anything you want. My ringtone. Click on export. Now it has been exported. So you can now close this place and go to your settings. Where is your settings? Go to your settings. Once you get to your settings, go to sound and hypertext. Click on sound and hypertext. Go to your ringtone. Now you'll be seeing it. So now if someone calls you, automatically you're using the song of your choice as a ringtone. You're no longer using the inbuilt ringtone of your iPhone. I believe if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we'll be putting out more tech content like this every week to enable us grow in the tech world. So this is the way you can now use any song of your choice as a ringtone inside your iPhone by using the native app, which is called the GarageBand inside your iPhone. If you don't have it, make sure you download it and follow for more tech tips like this. Peace out.